Welcome to Auburn Drain Cleaning. FedEx just dropped off a package here. Something I ordered. A tool. Can't wait to see which one it is. I think it's going to be my line locator. But we'll see. It looks to be Ridgid Navitrack Scout underground utility locator, line locator, utility locator, tracing underground sewer pipes, etc. Unfortunately, they packed it with styrofoam peanuts. I'm not surprised. But they can tend to be an irritating mess. They get all over the place. The wind blows them around. Yeah, they're trying to make it as difficult as they can. They're sticking to the cling wrap. Okay, we've got them under control. Let's see if anything else is in the box. Doesn't appear to be. We'll lock up these peanuts to get rid of them. Alright, here we go. Ridgid Navitrack Scout line locator. This is for tracing underground sewer lines in drain cleaning applications. However, I have more accessories coming that I bought for it to be able to trace more underground utilities. Such as gas lines, water lines, tracer wires, phone lines, etc. Alright, another disappointment from eBay. They showed this looking like brand new, but this case is obviously beat, it's scratched, it's faded by the sun, it's got pipe dope stuck on it. This doesn't even look like this item that they advertised. Maybe. They must have been using it more up until they sold it. Or they used old pictures. They must have used old advertising pictures. Either way. One of the reasons I bought this on eBay is because it looked like it was brand spanking new. Hardly used. However, that's not the case. Hopefully it at least works. Well, they didn't want me unwrapping it quickly, did they? Huh. Looks like they did painting, extensive cleaning, and even painting on this thing. Trying to make it look like it's new when it's not. Well, it's got batteries in it.
Ridgid.
Turns on. There's the sonde. No battery in the sonde. Well, they didn't take good care of this thing. Looks like they sent it down the line with the cap loose. Let's see if I got a battery for this thing. Alright, I found a battery that fits it. That should be working. Alright, I'm back in the picture. Well, I don't think the sonde works. It looks pretty rough. Hmm. Look at how dirty the sand looks. It's got some healthy scratches that may actually be cracks. The cap was loose with no battery in it, and the kind of dirt you see on the outside is what the inside looks like. So eBay seems to be a disappointment for buying tools with all the false advertising that's going on there. This thing's definitely been cleaned. It's had paint on it. Let's see what the instructions say on this thing. It's got a DVD. I'll have to watch that later. It's got a book. See what we got here. Scout, Sond, and Line Locator. Okay. Menu choices 8. Powering up and down. Low battery warning. What's the menu key? Once the Scout is set up and running, the next step is to set up the frequencies needed that match the equipment to be located. Each is activated for use by selecting them from a list on the menu. Push the menu key. The menu key is this one over here. Okay. So this button right here tells you how deep it is. That's the power button. That one you can select the frequency of the sound you're looking for. It says the point of maximum signal strength must be found. It shows a symbol here. Apparently that symbol is supposed to be seen. Alright, well, we're going to cut the video there. I'll play with this thing some more and check back. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.